So me walk with care. Every root tell a story. Me no plant myself in empty ground. Me grow where mighty souls were found. Them chant before me even cry. Them hold the fire, them lift it high. Me not pretend me start the flame. Me carry forward your holy name. Me every step, me every plea is built upon the roots before me. Roots before me, standing strong, guiding high through right and wrong. Through shadow deep and history, me walk with love and dignity. Yes, Jah, me trod respectfully. Them never had no gold nor throne, but still them build your truth alone. With bare foot and callous hand, them shape the spirit of this land. Me no forget them sacrifice. Them pay the price, them roll the dice. Me no walk blind, me eyes can see, because of roots that carried me. Roots before me, echo deep, in every prayer before me sleep. In every song the soul release, them chants still bring me heart to peace. Ooh, Jah, your roots increase. Let the rhythm roll like mountain breeze. Let the dub speak what spirit sees. Nyabinghi drums in sacred key. The roots still chant eternally. So me give thanks and me stay low. Me let Jah one beside me flow. Me build me life on truth and grace. Me never spit on elders' face. Me carry banner high, not loud. Me walk with roots, me walk unbound. And when me gone, me hope they see me too became a root finally. Roots before me, now me part of living chain of beating heart. Me plant me seed with overstand, so next you'd rise and take me hand. Yes, me root in Jah land. Honor the ones who made the way. Me now walk for self, me walk for y'all. Easy now, breathe slow, like still waters where they grow. Deep, deep within Jah flow. Me sit beside the silent stream. Jah show our life beyond the dream. No knives, no race, no stage to keep, but wisdom planted steady deep. Me not compete, me just receive. Me learn to grow, me learn to leave. This peace me find not come from speech, but from the depth no man can reach. Still waters run deep, so still I stay. With roots in truth, me won't decay. No wind can shake, no storm can sweep. Jah hold me soul in waters deep. Yes, my spirit run deep. Them praise the wave that crash and rise, but me give thanks for quiet skies. For in the hush me hear Jah tone. In stillness me no feel alone. They move for sure, me move for grow. Me trod where sacred rivers flow. Not loud but firm, my soul stay wide. Like river calm, me trod inside. Still waters run deep, them carry light. Beneath the moon, beneath the night. My heart beats slow, my thoughts run steep. Me walk with fire, me flow like creek. Ooh, Jah, still waters speak. Dub echo roll through empty space. Nyabinghi pulse flow like grace. Let the breeze unveil what's true. Still waters, Jah flow through you. So if the world too loud for bear, find the silence, Jah is there. No need for proof, no need for boast. Just sit and sip the Holy Ghost. Me no live high, me live wise. Me no chase clouds, me bless my skies. My soul no shallow, my thoughts no cheap. Me live like river still and deep. Still waters run deep, me not drift fast. Me tread slow, so love can last. No fame, no flash, just roots Marie. My faith grows strong in places deep. Yes, Jah, my soul swim deep. Jah, me spirit run deep. Me flow without fear, me grow without noise. Still waters, still rise. They build their towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown. I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound. Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh, Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money lead. I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry. Skank it slow beneath just sky. Let the bassline pull you near. Chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm comes, test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta's soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. Rastafari be my guide. With our soul I never hide. Ooh, Jah, lift me high. No shadow, no fear. Stand firm. Jah near, yes I. inside our soul, flowing deep, flowing bold. It now makes sound like thunder loud, but it shape mountains, break the cloud. Me no need no map to ride, me just follow the stream inside. Me trust the current, me trust your tide. It carry I where truth reside. Like a river inside, me move slow. Through hills, through pain, me still grow. Me no fight, me just glide. Me hold your hand and let it slide. Yes, the river never dry. Them build dam, them block my way, but my spirit still find a way. Me carve through stone with silent mind. We shine in dark, no need for light. We learn from roots, from breeze, from rain, from joy, from loss, from sacred pain. We bend but never break our high. We're guided by the river inside. Like a river inside, we stay true, flowing with love in all I do. Me no stuck, me no bound, we float with life, Jah keep I sound. Ooh, Jah, a river overflown. Feel the current in your chest, let it cleanse, let it bless. No need to rush, just ride the stream. In Jah River, we dream. So when the world get dry and rough, we flow through calm, my heart stay tough. Me no drown in what them say, but trust your voice to show the way. The river whisper truth so clear. Don't fear the storm, just steer. And even when I slip or slide, still flowing deep, my river inside. Like a river inside, me keep peace. From dawn to dusk, me never cease. Me overflow with love so wide. Me journey long, but Jah me guide. Yes, Jah, my river is life. Me flow in silence, but my strength is loud. My river deep, my spirit proud. Still waters run deep. Me sit by the river early morn, watch how the mist from earth is born. No voice me hear but spirit speak. Still waters run so strong, so meek. Them say me quiet, them can't see the fire me hold internally. Me no shout low, me soul no leave. Me trust Japa, still and deep. Still waters running deep in I. Calm and clear beneath the sky. No storm can shake, no wind can sweep. My heart stays strong, my roots run deep. Yes, Jah, my peace me keep. Them chase the flash, but watch the flow. Them move too fast, me choose to grow. Like river bend round rock and tree. Me no resist, me move wisely. Me learn from moon, from tide, from rain. That strength comes slow, not born from pain. Me carry stillness when others weak. Cause still waters run deep. Still waters running deep and wide. A holy stream where Jah reside. Me carry love, me carry grace. Me walk with silence, not the race. So Jah, me feel your face. Dub echo like river breath, chimes like birds in mountain depth. Nyabinghi drums in gentle sweep. Me chant for those whose waters deep. So when me gone and world grow loud, just find me not among the crowd. My spirit dwell in morning steep. elders sing and keep. Me no need throne, me no need praise. Me just give thanks for all my days. And all me leave, me never weep. Just peace that run still and deep. Stillness is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong. Bit full of life, still waters run to. Till this is strength, silence is song. In still waters we belong.
This land is holy. Every step a prayer.
Me rise with sun and kiss the dirt. Me give thanks even when it hurt. Each leaf and stone beneath my feet remind me Jah make all complete. This not just land, this life, this breath, this soil been touched by love and death. Me no walk careless, me no play around. Me plant my heart in sacred ground. Sacred ground, me walk with care. Me feel Jah presence everywhere. From mountain top to valley deep, this earth Jah give and it me keep. Yes, me soul it read. Them dig it up, them sell them tears, but Jah still dwell in forest here. Me find the temple in the trees, me bow before the humming bees. No steeple tall, no priest in gown. Me hear Jah voice in river sound, and every raindrop falling down, it bless again this sacred ground. Sacred ground, me kneel and pray before me work, before me play. Me plant me seed with overstand. The soil is Jah's, not just me hand. Oh Jah, me feel the land. Let the dub rise like mountain fog. Let the chime sing with croak of frog. Nyabinghi heartbeat in the clay. This ground still chant what prophets say. So when me pass, me ask one plea. Bury me where roots run free. No concrete bed, no polished stone. Just earth and breeze and leave me alone. Let children dance where me did lie. Let trees grow tall into the sky. My body gone but still surround. My spirit part of sacred ground. Sacred ground forever be the link between the earth and me. Me no own but me protect with all my soul and full respect. Yes, Jah, me walk direct.
faith by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah, your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down, down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Ooh, Jah, lift us higher still. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time. Jah love all the time. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time.
It flows, not outside, but deep within the river in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat. Still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make me whole. River in my soul, flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. Me hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can block, no chain control. The freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. walk alone. It not end, it just flow deeper still. Steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen, gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with jazz will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity, we build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trudge a sky. Selassie I, guide I and I. Dub it low, chant it loud. Roots vibration shake the cloud. From Zion gate to ocean shore, we sing what Babylon ignored. My granny teach me plant and pray, give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, from ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Nyabinghi drums beat like slow, steady heartbeats before me speak, before me move. Me feel peace in my chest. Them talk a war, them spread the fear, but my whole calm when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud.
control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on, wide it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest.